Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making another whole food plant-based recipe by Forks Over Knives. I've really been trying to eat more of a whole food plant-based diet. I feel better, I just think it's better for you. So this is going to be in honor of fall, and when I think of fall I think of pumpkin. So I'm going to be making pumpkin pancakes. So this is really easy, and we're going to get started. So in this bowl I have 1.25 cups of oat flour. I'm going to put all my dry ingredients in first. I've got 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I've got a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. And I've got 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. And then you're just going to want to whisk this together. Get everything combined. Okay. Then we'll start in on the wet ingredients. I've got some apple cider vinegar. I've also, this is my addition, the original recipe doesn't have this, but I wanted to put in a teaspoon of vanilla because I really love vanilla. And then I've got 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. You want to make sure it's just pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. And this is, I mean, it's everywhere in the stores now. Absolutely. And then 3/4 cup of any kind of unflavored, unsweetened plant milk. So we're just going to whisk this together, and then we're going to let it stand for about 5 minutes, and then we'll be ready to make our pancakes. So the batter has sat for about 5 minutes, and I've got my skillet, non-stick skillet, heating up here. And I'm going to use, Forks Over Knives suggests a 1/3 cup measuring cup for portions. So this is going to be really a dense, I can tell, a dense pancake, so very hearty. So we're going to put this in the pan here, and we're going to cook a couple of minutes on each side, just like you would a normal pancake, and then we'll be ready to eat. Then we'll cook another couple minutes on this side. These look amazing. I can't wait to try them. I just garnished with a little bit of blueberries and my Lakanto maple syrup, which I love because it's 0 glycemic, so it doesn't spike your blood sugar, and it tastes great. And let's give these a try. Get a little syrup on there. Oh yes. I tell you, if you love pumpkin, you will love these. And how easy was that? Just a few ingredients, throw it together, no problem. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.